That's got good graphics.
Double fire and steamy fire.
Sorry, I thought you were taking a photo. I'm not really good at that.
You know, you have like an old Oh no!
Come on, press space to play.
Try and get it when I'm not dying on it. Ah. Oh, I've still got my cool missiles. You're on.
A bit rubbish. Sold it. Oh.
That went really well.
Off the screen, off the screen. I was really...
What, did you really want me to be filming that? Oh, you got further, you got further. Oh!
No,
last
denied.
hurdle.
That was so fast.
It's a shame he's not 20 really, because the caption could have been Vic 20, Vic 20.
Our glamorous assistants will now show you how to use the Commodore, what is it?
64X, SX64.
Oh, SX64, the mobile technology.
You take the keyboard and you blaze it like so over the end. And that, of course.
Hey! Of course, it's all fallen off a bit.
The different limbs. You could go around and you can you see the Jackbox part, cassette one, take the cassette off, and then press eject, put the cassette inside, and play.
And then wait for about an hour and a half for it to load.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, 5.5-inch discs. Let's have a look at these ones. Good old 5.5-inch discs. They're proper floppies as well. This is where the name floppy drive used to come from, because they actually are floppy.
Yes.
And then we actually put them into the...
Put them inside like that.
I think you have to pull down the flap. Pull down to close.
Pull down the
Right, press down. As we got cartridges, PC Engine, doll, solid state cartridge.
That's just
right, stick it in.
Kind of awkward to play for. That's how I want to try the 3D Tetris.
That's it.
Yeah.
Hey presto.
This is so bad.
It's quite quick, so load.
This is an Enterprise 128. Oh, the size of that cartridge.
It's massive.
Oh.
You put it inside. Oh! It's the right way up.
That's it.
Yeah, you have to have it the right way round.
You will work. That way?
Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
So we've got the Atari 7800. Oh, some fantastic games on here, look. What have we got? We've got Hui. That is it. That's quite cool. It's a Sega Master System. power beds.
Okay. And how do you put the... What are these cartridges then? How do you... Can you display how you put these in?
Just the same as the other ones.
Ah, right, okay.
There we go. And they slip into the
Let's
top.
stick it in. Right, okay.
And you start it up.
And obviously this one's more of a gun shooting game.
I don't know if this one is actually. I think this one is supposed to be with a joypad. Push the start button and we're away. So you go fighting and he'll jump. So.
What's jump? What's jump?
This is very old. It's not bad.
Stage yet? Have you ever done stage yet?
I've seen the
And have
red
you ever put
lights.
straight line? Oh.
Oh, that. Maybe I should jump on his head.
That looks like a uni dragon.
I'm being destroyed.